Good morning students, welcome to Acharya PU College. Last class I have discussed about number system. Today we are discussing about bracket. In mathematics, various types of brackets. Brackets are classified into four types. Namely, first one, vinculum or bar. Second one, parenthesis or small bracket. Third one, curly or braces. Then fourth one, square bracket. Braces bracket, vinculum or bar bracket. Usually bar we can write like this, parenthesis, small or common bracket we can show like this, then curly, braces, or we can say flower bracket. Then last one is square bracket. Right? About the brackets, we will see some problems. First one, 2 divided by 2, just to make it as bar, minus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 3 common bracket. Then I want to use square bracket. Okay, answer or solution. What is the first bracket here? A bar bracket. So first is solve bar, then second small bracket, then third there is no braces, just left out. The last one is what? Square bracket. 2 by 2 is what? 1 minus this one as it is 3 into 4, then plus 3 into 3. Okay, the bar bracket is over. Check out second one. Is a small bracket? Yes. Then we can solve only small bracket. The remaining as it is 1 minus in square bracket 3 into 4 as it is plus 3 3s are 9. Next, curly or braces. There is no in the problem. Then go next, square bracket 1 as it is minus 3 4s are 12 plus 9. Then last day, so plus 1 and plus 9 is what? 10 minus 12. What is the answer here? 10 minus 12. The biggest number sign is what? Minus, then 2. This is the answer. Okay, we'll see another problem. Second one, 3 into 4 small bracket divided by 2 minus 3 plus 4 into 3. Okay, this one is a what? Braces. then you write minus 1, minus 2, whatever it is. Then I want to use here bar bracket. Though first you check out your problem, is there any bar bracket? If you have, first you solve that one. The remaining elements write as it is. 3 into 4 bracket divided by 2 minus 3 plus flower bracket 4 into 3, okay, minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1, okay, 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. 3 into 4, okay, this one 3 into 4 as it is divided by 2 as it is minus 3 plus in bracket 4 into 3 as it is minus into minus plus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Then next check out the bracket. Which one you have? Small bracket. Just solve the small bracket. 3 4s are 12. The remaining as it is 12 divided by 2 minus 3 plus in braces 4 into 3 plus 1 plus 1. So this one is over. Small bracket is over. What about next? Braces. So before that write as it is 12 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 as it is. Though all the brackets are used, then 12 by 2, 2 6 are 12 minus 3 as it is plus 12 plus 1 as it is. So what are the positive sign numbers here? Plus 6 plus 12 and plus 1. 6 plus 12 is 18 plus 1 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3, so getting 16 is the answer, right? Okay, so we will see next is a very important a rule of BODMAS. So before that, note down. A rule of BODMAS is very important. While you are solving the problems, should follow the rules. So what are the rules we have? Okay, we'll see. A rule of BODMAS. What is meant by BODMAS? See, one by one. B O D M A, the lastly S. B means brackets. Just now we have discussed about the brackets. Then O means off. B is a bracket, O is off, D is division. D is what? Division. M multiplication. Multiplication. A addition. S subtraction. Addition, subtraction, nothing but BODMAS. So what are the brackets we have? This is the bar bracket, this is small bracket, this one curly or flower bracket, then this one square bracket. Off is what? special multiplication of is special multiplication. If in the problem of is given, instead of that we can use into. Division, you know the symbol, so like this. Then multiplication, or we can say it is into. Addition, or we can say sum. Subtraction, minus. So about the BODMAS rule, we can solve the problems. It is very, very important for competitive exam. So many problems are asked in competitive exam on BODMAS rule. If you know the BODMAS rule, you can solve easily. If not, difficult to get the answer. Okay, we'll see some problems on BODMAS. First one. 4 into 9 divided by 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 3. So I can use the problems. So then some brackets here. Then here, so this is the bar bracket. Okay, so what is the first bracket we have? Bar. Remaining rate as it is 4 into 9 close the bracket divided by 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2. The bar bracket is over. But the next we have small bracket. Small bracket. So we can use the small bracket. 4 nines are, what is that? 36, or 9 fours are 36 divided by 4 as it is, minus 3 as it is, plus 2 into minus 2 also as it is. Then bracket is over. Then what about next steps? Division. Is there division? Yes, definitely we have the division here. This one. Okay. 36 by 4. 9. Remaining right as it is, minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2. The division is over. Okay. So bracket is over. Special multiplication is not given. Then division is over. What about next? Multiplication. Is there multiplication? As this one is a what? Multiplication. 9 minus 3 plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. The multiplication is over. What about next? Addition. Addition. 9 minus 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 7. So listen here. Plus 3 plus 4. What you are getting? Plus 7. Both positive sign. You can add it. Make it as positive. Both are negative. Again add it. Just put negative sign. Minus 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 7. So minus 7 I have written. Which is the biggest number here? 9. What is the sign? Plus 9 minus 7 is what? 2. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, we'll see another problem. Second one. You can take any problems, but follow the rule. 3 minus 4 into 9 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. Now what is the first bracket we have here? Bar bracket. So remaining rate as it is 3 minus 4 into 9 plus as it is 2 by 2 is what? 1 minus 4 minus 3 as it is. What is the next bracket? This one, curly. 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1 into 9 plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 as it is. Just I solve inside the bracket problems. Okay. The bracket is over. Special multiplication not given. Division, is there any division symbol? No. Then that go to multiplication. Yes, definitely has given the multiplication. This one minus 1 9s are 9 plus 1 as it is, minus 4 as it is, minus 3 as it is. Then addition. The plus sign only one we have. This is 1. Then minus 9 minus 4 minus 3. Listen here. Minus 9 minus 4 minus 3. What you are getting? 7 and 9 16. Okay. Whereas 9 plus 4 is what? 13 and minus 3 16. Both are negative sign. Add and put negative. Minus 16. Listen here. Minus 9 minus 4 is what? Minus 13. Then minus 3 minus 16. 1 minus 16, which is the biggest number here? 16. What is the sign? Minus. Then 16 minus 1 is what? 15. So this is the result. Thank you very much, students. For more videos, follow our channel.